So I tend to not put too much stock in projections. You know, they're frankly guesses. We can look at data, we can kind of use that to gauge where things might go. And the machine learning algorithm has projected the price for Shiba Inu for August 31st of 2024. So coming up in just a couple weeks here. And what we're expecting to see based on the Bollinger Bands, relative strength index, moving the MWA, average true range, and others, is we are projecting that Shiba Inu is going to see more of the same. Just flat, sideways, kind of down and to the right slightly. This is projecting actually a 2.4% lower price, but still around that 4013 range. Now, here's the thing. These things are trending this direction, right? There are things that are showing that Shiba Inu is just kind of going down to the right along with the rest of the crypto market. And frankly, right now, Shib is a reflection of the broader crypto market. We're waiting for, again, sentiment to improve. We're waiting for the overall market to move. And what I will say is kind of interesting is right now, it's looking like Shib open short interest is actually increasing. So right now, there are a lot of people that are betting on Shiba Inu price continuing to drop, okay? So sentiment frankly isn't great with Shib, with really any other asset in the market. You guys can see that abroad. You guys can see that just looking at the Bitcoin Fear Greed Index. Everything is kind of stalled out. These summer months, they tend to wear on you and they get kind of dull. There's not a whole lot of excitement, but then things can change very quickly. That chart, for example, it showed that Shiba Inu is just this pretty flat trend with not a whole lot going on. And we know that hasn't really not been the case for Shiba Inu almost anywhere in its life cycle. There is moments of volatility. There's increased in volume. The market makers make movements at some point in time. All right. Now we've gotten to this point with Shiba Inu where a lot of people that were going to sell have sold, right? We've gotten into this point of strength, this foundation being built below here. It's because whales are holding up the price, long-term holders are holding up the price, people are taking advantage of these opportunities while they're here. And this is where short interest gets kind of interesting because we can create those short liquidations to the upside. We have seen this take place with Bitcoin before, and it wouldn't surprise me if something like this is going to be coming in the near future, not just for Shiba Inu, but for most assets. Remember, we're going to get to a point where this spot Ethereum ETF selling does go on a downswing, where we're kind of out of this point where the market is just playing things again very close to the vest, not doing much with their money in general, and excitement ensues. FOMO kicks in. People get excited about the crypto market again. Right now, the focus is not on crypto. It hasn't been for a little while. Yes, there's been some mentions of it in campaigning for the election, but the big focuses right now have been the election in the fall, what the economy is doing. Are we going to see war abroad? You know, are we going to keep paying these high prices here at home? Those are the big focuses of people. But very soon, that stuff starts to wane. People start looking for opportunity. They start looking for something like crypto, all right? And again, this all is going to take place very quickly. We're starting to see some things already flip around. Again, you guys can check out my video from yesterday talking about some things I'm watching this week. And I think this week might be the start of a good step in the right direction. We'll see how this plays out, but I just wanted to share this with you guys. I don't buy into these projections because we know what comes around these times. Alt season. We know explosive prices, explosive adoption, and Shib tends to benefit very heavily from these. So I want to hear your guys' thoughts are. What do you think Shib price is going to be by the end of this month? I think we're more somewhere around maybe that 4014 through 4016 range. That would make a lot of sense. Unless things start to snowball and happen very quickly. Short liquidations, the upside. Shib pushing back to this range of 4017 and above. But I appreciate you. Have a great day. Show your love below. As always, this is not financial advice, but we're headed down a good road. Catch you in the next one.